Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to fix OBS block screen game capture. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your or click on the start button and then search for OBS. Now you want to right click on that, click on open file location, right click it on again, click on properties. You want to click on compatibility, and here you want to check the run this program as an administrator. Okay, so click on apply, click on OK. Okay, so now just go ahead and exit on that, and then open your OBS application. So right now I am using this, so this is the game capture, right? So just go ahead and right click on that. You want to click on properties. Here at the mode, you want to choose capture specific window. And here at the window, you need to make sure that you choose the game that what you are playing. So for example, you want to play GTA 5 or Fortnite. So just go ahead and choose that because you can see that window right here or option. Okay. So after you've done that, just go ahead and click on OK, and that should fix your problem. Okay? So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.